Meet Sniffles, the tiniest dragon in the forest. But Sniffles had one tiny problem. Instead of breathing fire, he could only coo. Every time he sneezed, a flower shot out of his nose. The other dragons giggled. "You're not scary at all," they said. One day, a lost bunny was crying in the dark forest. Sniffles sneezed, creating a beautiful flower trail right to the bunny's home. The bunny was so happy, and the other dragons realized that being different can be wonderful too. You special? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more magical stories.